HMD Global has just announced a Nokia 7.1 at an event in London. We got some hands-on time with the device before the official launch, and this is our first look. The dual SIM Nokia 7.1 runs Android Oreo based on the Android One program with an upgrade to Android 9.0 Pie slated for next month. It sports a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus pure display panel with a 19:9 aspect ratio, HDR10 support and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The Nokia 7.1 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC and comes in two variants, one with 3GB of RAM and 32GB storage and the other with 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage. Both variants have expandable memory via microSD. All this is fueled by a 3060 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. The Nokia 7.1 bears a vertically aligned pair of dual rear camera setup that consists of a 12-megapixel primary sensor and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor. The company is also touting two face detection and Zeiss optics for the rear camera setup apart from EIS. On the front, the handset sports an 8-megapixel fixed focus sensor. Nokia 7.1 price starts at a global average of €319, which is roughly 27,000 rupees. The phone will be sold in gloss midnight blue and gloss steel color options across global markets starting October this year. India pricing and availability is yet to be announced. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll know every time we have a new video out for you. For the latest in tech news, reviews and features, log on to gadgets360.com.